We're going to Connecticut. What's going on, everybody? So as you guys saw, we're going to Connecticut. We packed up all our things. We're leaving early. We're gonna go meet up Steve Raiken and be a part of his thrifting meetup. So we're super excited. Got 6 hours of driving ahead of us. Let's go. Let's take you along the way. What does reselling mean to you?
Freedom, beating the 9 to 5, being able to do what I want when I want, not having to answer to anybody.
Well, reselling is really just another way to make extra money and just really kind of show myself that, you know, I could be an entrepreneur, and really what I'm capable of is a lot greater than I thought from the start, and just kind of keeps growing from there. I never really thought it would have happened from just, you know, something as simple as reselling. But, you know, it really did.
Reselling to me right now is a hobby. It's a side income. I'd like to turn it into a way of life. Haven't gotten to that point yet, but I am working on making that happen.
Reselling means to me is making money. Another besides making money is also finding things that people don't want and selling it to somebody else. You know, it's just like we're the middleman. Because we're the middleman, we're kind of saving things from the trash and putting things back in the ecosystem. So reselling means to me is not just about making money, it's also about saving items. How we see one thing, someone may view it, value it a little bit more than the next person. It's like life.
What is one tip you have for a beginner?
For a beginner, I would say diversify, but at the same time, don't. Stick with what you know to begin with. That's the market you're going to be most familiar with, and then slowly branch out into other things or other interests that may appeal to your tastes.
Try to stick to one thrift store if you're really trying to make it fast, and each day pick a new section just to go straight through the entire thing. Anything you don't know, look it up. Anything you do know, pick it up if it's good.
Christina forgot her wallet.
Best tip for a beginner, I could say, would just be to get out there and just start. Get out to the thrift store, get out to a garage sale, and start your eBay account, you know, and just get to it and get your first couple things up, and you're gonna learn from there.
For beginners, I would say there's a saying I'm going by right now. It's like step out the boat, being a Christian and stuff like that. You have to walk out the boat. You have to walk on water, basically. In order to walk on water, you have to get out the boat. You have to do things that's uncomfortable. For resellers, and it still plays in the reselling tip because you have to step out your normal category. Because sometimes you're used to selling one item, and basically it's like having tunnel vision. And there's so much different things you could actually make money on. So I would say step out the boat, walk on water, try different category, try different things. It's life. You have to experience. Take the risk. You always got to take the risk. If you don't, you're just going to be complaining about how miserable your life is. And when you complain about miserable how your life is, nobody's going to be around you. So might as well just do something about it. Stop complaining about it. Step out the boat and walk on water. That's it.
Amazing. Thank you. So we want to give a big thanks to everybody that went to the meetup. We had a really great time. Really made it awesome for us. We couldn't have asked for a better time. If you guys don't know about this meetup and you are local to the area, you should definitely try to make the next one. Super fun. Steve Raiken is an awesome guy. Everybody that goes there, all the people that we interviewed, everybody's just so amazing. You can learn so much if you're new. Really helped us get into reselling. It's been what we've been learning and growing. These 2 trips have taught us so much, more than what YouTube or anything could have taught us. So we just want to give a big thanks. We're at this nice creek spot.
Somewhere in Massachusetts.
Yeah, we decided to stop. It's a really cool spot. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys have a great day or night. Peace.